Hi, my name is Alex Coreth. I'm a licensed professional counselor. I am going to be the program director here at All Points North Denver, the Assessment and Detox Unit. I'm a licensed professional counselor. I've been in the field of substance abuse for about 12 years. I moved to Colorado in 2017 and became the supervisor of a residential treatment facility that's part of the University of Colorado healthcare system. And I've made the transition to All Points North to help get this program started, being able to provide assessment, stabilization, and medical detox for clients who are seeking to continue treatment with All Points at their residential program in Edwards. When you get to the Assessment and Detox Center of All Points North Denver, you will be greeted by a nurse and another staff member to help you get settled in and get to know your surroundings. You'll then receive a full comprehensive nursing workup, just to make sure that everything is going on safely in your body, and to get the process started to be able to withdraw safely. You will meet with a therapist to do a biopsychosocial assessment. You will have staff here 24 hours a day checking in on you, making sure you are safe and healthy and getting everything you need as you go through a pretty difficult process. Based on information that we gather from our team of nurses, doctors, nurse practitioners, therapists, recovery advocates, CNAs, we will make a determination of when you are safe and appropriate to go to All Points North for their residential program, or if you are more appropriate for another facility that we work with.